Imagine making 2,500 in just minutes while letting an AI do all. The hard work for you sounds too good to be true. Well, today I'm going to show you real results and prove why PremiumTradingAlgo.Bot is a game changer in binary options trading. This is not just another tool, it's a complete profit-making machine designed to analyze markets, execute trades, and manages risks flawlessly. If you are serious about winning more and losing less, this video is for you. Let's get started. Alright, we are going to place our first trade with $1,000. Watch how the AI scans the market and finds the best entry point and execute the trade with precision. Trade running and boom, profit secured. Now let's do one another. $1,000 again in the same 1 minute time frame, and let's see how this bot reacts to the market changes. Trade running and use another win. We are now 2,000 in pure profit. One last trade, 500 this time, for a total of 2,500 earned today. This is why top trader uses AI. It removes emotions, makes smart trading decisions, and secures consistent profits. 100% automated market analysis, no more staring at charts for hours. This AI analyzes real-time data, predicts market trends, and execute trade at the perfect moment, all automatically. Built-in smart risk management, the biggest mistake traders make: overtrading and blow their accounts. Our AI manages trade size and risk automatically, so you stay profitable long-term. Proven accuracy and success rate. This bot has been tested and refined with a high accuracy rate that beats manual trading. If you want real profit without guesswork, this is your solution. Ready to start making profits like this? The premium AI trading bot is available now, but spots are limited. Special offers running on our website. Get yours today and start trading smarter, not harder. Want to see how it works first? Join our free demo session and watch it in action. Like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more trading insights. Let's dominate the market together.